Whoa, what up? What's that? You already know the drill. Look, man, first things first, man, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, what we got today, you can see the plain orange and white Nike box. So what we have is the women's Air Vapormax 97. The colorway is metallic, dark sea, white, and black. I don't know how y'all feel about these, but here it is. The women's Air Max 97 in metallic, dark sea, white, and black. Vapormax, better yet. Looking around the shoe, I think it's a pretty nice shoe. Now, they should have came with men's colors with these. I mean, men's sizes, but you know how Nike does things, man. I don't know, but looking at the back of the shoe, you can see the black pull tab. You can see that dark sea colorway all throughout the shoe. I mean, I'm feeling it. It's a decent color. Now, this color could have came in men's sizes also, you know what I mean? But hey, it is what it is, man. Typical Nike business, man. On the inside, you can see that black insole with the Nike check in dark sea. There's a look at those tips of the laces. I mean, pretty straightforward shoe. You know what I mean? And I mean, I like the colorway, man. I think it's different. You know, now both of these shoes are exactly the same except for two little differences, you know, which is the case on all of the Vapormaxes. You know what I mean? It's on the bottom. See, on the bottom of this left shoe, you have the Nike check on this one. Okay? And on the right shoe, hold up, let me see. Let me get it. Yeah, on the right shoe, you have, what is it, Vapormax, Air Max, let's see. Yeah, on the right shoe, you have Air Max. You see Air Max and Nike check. You know, but overall, man, it's a pretty dope shoe to me. I'm feeling it. I think it's dope. But anyway, that was my quick look at the Air Max 97, Air Vapormax 97 for women. Anyway, hit that subscribe button, turn your notifications on. Follow us on Instagram at PeddlersAir504. Let's get into the on foot.